Hello and welcome to Learn Linux Commands using Android series. My name is Subhash. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Android device to run Linux commands. Let's go to do this. First, to run Linux commands in Android, we need terminal emulator. In this series, I am using termux terminal emulator. Let's go to see how to download and install this application. First, open your browser and search Kali nethunterstore. Kali nethunterstore. Kali nethunterstore. And click the first link and you can see download button for this app and download it. Download a start. And open and click next and install. I install in removable my SD card. Hello. And open the app. It's updating repositories and scroll down and you can see termux terminal emulator with packages and click and install the app. To click install, I install in my SD card. Click hello. And we need two more apps. First one is hackers keyboard. Scroll up, scroll down and you can see hackers keyboard. Click the hackers keyboard and download it. Click install. I install removable disk. Okay, and second one is termux styling. Scroll up and you can see termux styling and click it and install it. Next install. go to the hacker's keyboard, settings, default, enable keyboard, enable the hacker's keyboard, hit OK. Next, open the termux and installing the needed package. And you can see this is a now I change the terminal style. To do this, long press anywhere and you can see the options copy, paste and more. Select more option and you can see the style option. Select the style, select the option. First I change the color to cherry, wild cherry, and font to Ubuntu.